Hi guys, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about partial fraction integration, which is really cool. And in AP Calc, we're going to use when the denominator can be factored into linear non-repeating factors. In more advanced calc, you learn all different ways. So let's look at this first integral here. And the dead giveaway we're going to use partial fractions is because the denominator can be factored. Remember, into two linear non-repeating factors. So we're going to go ahead and factor that. So we're going to have x minus 1 x minus 5 as the denominator, and what we're going to do when we decompose it is we're going to assign temporary numerators, a, b, c, d, and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and give a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 5, and we're basically getting a common denominator, so the trick is to do a times the other denominator plus b times the other denominator equals the numerator. Now to go ahead and solve this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a variable, like a numerical value for x equals 5, so that one of the bubbles drops out. And you can see I did that in green right here. When I replace all of the x's with 5, we're easily able to solve for b and get b to be 4. So now let's look at the other bubbles. See that I highlighted that in blue? In order for that to equal 0, x is going to be 1. So I'm going to go ahead and everywhere I see an x, I'm going to replace x with 1, which you can see I'm doing here in green. So now when I go ahead and solve that, I'm going to get negative 4a. That second bubble is going to drop out. Equals 8, so a is going to be negative 2. So now we have values for these temporary numerators. We need to go ahead and plug them back in. So we're going to replace a with negative 2, we're going to replace b with 4, and we still need to integrate. So all we did is we decomposed the fraction. They are both going to be natural log integrals. You can see the u sub right here. I have a video on natural log u sub. So when we integrate that, we're going to get negative 2 ln absolute value of x minus 1 plus 4 ln absolute value of x minus 5.